Hello guys, welcome to my channel Genetic Coding. Here we will implement multi-screen tab bar. In today's video, we will achieve this kind of tab view. You can see here we have customized border tab view, and in it our tab is surrounded by the border and indicating with white background and red color with shadow effect text in it. So let's get started. For this purpose, come in our tab bar demo. Here just override our column and we will make here tab bar. Here we have to be make two things here. First is controller and other is tabs. For controller we will define here tab controller. It is tab controller and we will make it late because we will define it in our init state method, because without tab controller our tab bar and connected tab bar view will not work properly. So we will initialize our tab controller here. Tab controller, here we will define a length and ticker provider class. First is length. I mean how much item will be present in the tab bar. So here we will present 4 items in tab bar and we are implementing tab bar. So it is required single ticker provider class, because tab bar is dealing with some type of animation also, because when we click on the tab or scroll it gives some type of animation when moving from one page to another page. So ticker provider state mixin class is required because ticker provider is responsible for making the callback of ticker so that animation will communicate with the frame rate of Flutter render engine. And we will pass in the parameter vertical synchronization the parameter for single ticker provider state mixin class. So we will pass here this and it will represent that this vertical synchronization parameter is connected with single ticker provider state mixin class. Now you will pass this controller here like this, and you can apply listener also. Add listen, like when the tab is changed you can listen that process also. So debug print like this. Now we will make our tabs here. So make text, we have given length 4, so we will make our 4 text view here. Now run it. Yes, like this. Here you can see our tab bar is ready. Now we will connect the screens for this tab bar. So here you will implement a tab bar view. Here you have to be wrap this widget in expanded, because tab bar view will require to take all the space in the screen which is remain by after getting the space by tab bar. So we will give here tab bar view and wrap it with expanded, so tab bar will get the entire space which is available on the screen like this. Now we will define our a custom widget. So I have already made a widget for you like this. I have made method which return widget. Here I have made a column and children. I make a text which is coming from this method as argument, and I implement an image network, and I am implementing the lorem pixum URL, and I will return here return container. It is your first, and like this I will implement remaining also. Now here we have implemented the screen. Now we will connect it with controller. So our controller is a tab controller. Now it is first, third and fourth. Here you can see. Now we will customize. It will giving us error like controller's length property does not match the number of children present in TabBar's few children property. Yes, here we implemented one more children extra. So now after that we can customize the tab bar, like we will apply different type of properties here, like this. First of all, we can make it scrollable. Like till yet we have four, so these are auto adjustable in the screen. What sometime we have a more tabs in the screen, so they will not able to adjust on the screen at the horizontal bar. So in that situation we will make up our tab bar as a scrollable. So I will give you the situation here, like 6. Now I will give the length also, it is 6. Now you will notice here it is, our second tab is adjusting, like it is not on the single line. So now we will enable scrollable true here. Now you can notice our tab is now scrollable. Here it is. You will notice that our tab is started after some distance, so we want to start from at the beginning from the left side. So how you can add that? You can apply tab alignment here. Tab alignment dot, here you can apply center. Now it is applying here, like this. You can change the indicator color, like this is indicator hour. Here you can change the this also indicator color, colors dot red. Now you can see our indicator color is changed now. You can also change indicator size. Tab indicator, tab bar indicator dot tab. This is when you make a tab, it will occupy all the space which is around the tab. And when you make label, then tab indicator size is equal to the length, I mean equal to the width of label, like this. This is our label is our width of label and the width of indicator is equal when we apply label. And when we apply tab, then the width of indicator is more than width of label. You can apply the height of indicator also, which is applied by the indicator weight, like this. Here it is. You can see here, this is our indicator weight applying on the indicators. You can change the divider color also. The line which is showing below to the indicator is called divider. So we can also change the line color, colors dot red. It is now our divider color is changing here. You can also change the height, divider height, like 3. Now divider height is changing. Now you will notice that our selected and unselected text color are same. You can change. So selected color is label color, selected label is label color. So here we will call is colors dot red. Now so selected is red color and unselected label color is, we will give it green. So now you can customize the splash color also, like this is applying the splash. So how you can control this with parameter overlay color. So here visit state property dot visit state property all, and here we can apply colors dot red. You can see here, click here, we have changed the splash color here. Now dot with value, here we apply alpha 0.456. Now you will notice we have some lower color, I mean color with some little opacity. This is how you can control the splash. And you can also apply the splash behavior here also. like splash factory. I mean, you can control the animation, like how the overlay color will appear on the tab. You can control the speed of animation and how the overlay color will appear on the tab. So it is the splash factory, like this. Ink ripple, it is normal. Now we will apply splash, and it is ink splash is like we capture the image from the camera, like this. It is coming like splash from the camera. We can apply spark effect, ink sparkle, like this. When you apply it, it is now behaving like spark, like this. How you can control the splash. Now we will start our customizing the tab with more control over it. Wrap your tab bar with container and apply the color, apply the decoration. So we will apply here box decoration, apply colors, like we will apply here colors dot red, and border radius dot circular. Here we will apply 12. We will apply here border radius, border radius dot circular. Here we will apply 10, and our banner is ready. Now we will apply margin edge inside dot symmetric dot horizontal 10. Now it is completing. Here it is. Now we will remove here indicator bait. After removing indicator bait, we will decorate our indicator. Like here we have property indicator. Here we apply box decoration, and we will apply here colors dot white. We will make around a container here. So we will apply border radius dot circular. Here we apply 10. Now you will notice here we will apply padding also here on the tab. So as insets dot symmetric. Here it is. Now we will wrap our widget with container, and we will wrap it with center. Now and apply the height around 60, like this. And we will remove padding from here. Okay, we have to be apply padding here, but we have given height much, like this. Okay, now we have applied the border radius, and now we will apply border around it. So come in our box decoration here. So border dot all. Here we apply colors dot black, like this. Here it is. Now we have apply label color. Now we have to be apply more control on our text, I mean selected label color. So we will comment out this label color and override label style. Here Flutter provide more control to edit text present on the active tab. So here you can apply color colors dot black, and also apply some shadow here, box shadow color. Here colors dot red, and blur radius 10, spread radius 10. Now here applied you the effect on the text. Now we will change the style of unselected tab also. So for this we comment out here this, and we will check here unselected label style here. Now here we implement text style, colors dot white here. Now good. It is more accurate. Okay, now we will increase one more tab. so that it will give us scroll effect also. Or we will increase here text in our tabs, like first screen like this, and now here. Now it is, you can see we have scrollable here. Our content is scrolling in this tab bar. Now we can apply the physics on tab bar. Like if you want, like I have to just click here to change the tab. Like if I scroll here, the tab is changing like this. If I scroll, you can scroll and change the tabs. So if you want to make tabs so that you just click on the tab, then it will change the index and user will not able to scroll it. Then you can apply never scroll physics. Here it is. Now you will not able to scroll your tab. You just have to click here, then this scroll will move automatically to the further. So this property is required when you want to display the scrolling effect on the tab bar. And also you can apply is scrollable false, then it will completely stop the scrollable and it give you the overflow error. So here you have to be enable the is scrollable true, so that your content will not throw the error of overflow. And you can also stop the scrollable by the user actions by applying the never scroll physics. Hope you understand. Now sometimes you have a situation that you want to show some kind of part of other tab screens also here. Then you can apply view fraction like 0.3. We can apply 0.3 like this. I mean 0.7. Yeah, like this. You can notice our next and previous method, some content is visible on your current screen. This effect is calling the view fraction here. And also when you want to get the index of current selected tab, then you can override a method on tab. Here it gives the value of current selected index like this. When you call now debug print, it give you index is dollar value like this. Now when you click on, it give you the index here. Click it 4 and 6 equal to 5. Now this is how your indexing is done and detected by method on tab. You can also control the behavior of this tab moving position, like how this will move to the next tab. For this you can control the behavior of this tab. How the animation, like animation indicator animation here, tab indicator animation, tab indicator animation dot. Here we have default linear. Now we can apply elastic. Now you will notice like this, it is behaving like it is stretching from one point to another like this. This is the effect we can apply here. You can apply the padding between the indicator also. So you can apply the indicator padding. How you can apply that? Using the indicator padding. So edge symmetric horizontal here. Now you will notice we have some padding apply between the indicators like this. When you apply more padding, it will get shrink here. So we will not apply here padding more because it is already applied. So padding is not required here. When we have required padding, then we will apply there. And also we can apply the padding it will apply around the tab bar like this, as like this. You can notice here at the horizontal end, right side and left side, we have some distances enable, which is enabled by our padding. So indicator padding is the distance between two tabs, like first and second is our tab. Between this is distance which is controlled by the indicator padding. And when we want to apply the padding like distance around whole tab, then we apply padding. Here we have applied horizontal, we can apply vertical also. Like you will notice like this, our tab is got shrink by after applying padding, because our outer visit is 50. When we apply a 70, it will increase here like this. I hope you understand very well what I want to say here. Now, I hope you got some knowledge from my video. If you learn anything from this video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel so that I will produce more videos for you. Thank you.